She followed the exact blueprint for academic success. She enrolled in a top-tier Australian university, she attended every single lecture, and pulled high grades across the board. On graduation day, she expects her academic achievements to convert immediately into a professional career. Instead, she leaves campus with a generic degree and a mounting HECS help debt, but lacks any clear sense of where she actually fits in the workforce. The disconnect begins in the classroom. 3 years spent solving hypothetical case studies rarely exposes a student to the messy, unpredictable friction of real industry problems. Employers prioritize specific future of work competencies and a proven track record of execution, elements her academic transcript does not quantify. This gap between theoretical education and industry employment leaves even the most highly educated individuals without measurable workplace traction. To bridge that gap, we need to rewind the timeline to her first year and introduce a new variable into her curriculum. Rather than drafting another hypothetical essay, her core subject incorporates a real-world brief sourced directly from an active Australian employer. She is now collaborating in a small team, conducting actual stakeholder interviews and analyzing raw business data to solve a live problem. The work has an immediate impact. Her team presents their final recommendations to the employer, and those ideas are put into production. She can now see how abstract degree theory maps directly to the specific career paths she finds most compelling. A single project is just the start. The real value comes from stacking short, structured industry experiences continuously throughout her entire degree. Stacking these experiences builds a professional profile, a consulting sprint, a sustainability challenge, and an innovation project. Manually managing these partnerships risks total collapse. Practera provides stabilizing structure, scaffolding real-world experiences with academic milestones and rubrics that flow into a single educator dashboard. This automated backend allows academics to move away from partnership administration and focus entirely on facilitating student growth. Fast-forwarding to graduation day on this newly engineered timeline reveals a student with a very different professional standing. She now graduates with a portfolio of completed real-world projects and direct endorsements from industry leaders. She enters the job market with the confidence of someone who has already proven her ability to deliver value in a professional environment. For university administrators, this methodology represents a core requirement for maintaining institutional competitiveness. Practera allows institutions to embed these authentic industry projects directly into global curricula at scale, while ensuring quality across every interaction. Achieving this requires a specific formula: the integration of students, educators, and employers. Practera serves as the connective tissue that synchronizes these three groups into a single functional ecosystem. This connected ecosystem provides the scale required to drive measurable employability outcomes for Australian graduates.